On est ici à Saint-Sébastien pour la cérémonie d'ouverture de Saint-Sébastien, capitale de la culture 2016. Et on est en charge de toute la partie audiovisuelle. C'est pourquoi on a fait appel à ProtoPixel pour contrôler toute la partie lumineuse sur le pont.
We have created ProtoPixel to help designers to create interactive lighting scenarios in a seamless and an easy way.
This technology is based on a hardware and software solution that allows you to create from the smallest scenario to the biggest one, and even to simulate it beforehand.
For this project, we have to install 700 meters of LED strips in a bridge in San Sebastián. For achieving this, we have embedded these LED strips into aluminum profiles and created 10 controlling boxes. Each box contains 2 ProtoPixel controllers and 2 power supplies for controlling and powering the LEDs.